Hi everyone, my name is Jared Rodriguez, representing Samal, and now I'm inviting you everyone to watch the Coronation Night on March 2026.
Is this your first pageant?
No po, no.
Pangilan na to?
Maybe pang-apat.
Apat, so masasabi ba na veteran ka na sa pageantry?
Di po, for me, actually, first ever big, po to.
How young are you ba?
Po?
How young are you? Ilan taon ka? 18?
I'm still on college, and
Taking up what course? What course ka? Anong kinukuha mong course?
customs administration.
Customs. So this coming March, ito ba yung pinakamalaking pageant mo so far to Mr. Bataan?
Yes po, so far, ito po ang pinakamalaki.
So paano, ano bang preparation na gagawin mo para masiguro mo na sa March magkaroon ka ng edge sa mga co-candidates mo?
So, now I'm still on my progress na po sa pag-prepare, especially my mind and my body, of course, kasi kailangan po namin ng swimmer, and may pasarela and all, yun po.
So good luck sa finals and thank you for this interview.